this was before the new year. I was scrolling Instagram and I found the ad for the festival, for the competition. And I just felt there was something that I really wanted to do because it was something that was quick, that made you think. And it was interesting to compete again after a long time. And yeah, so I love making films, and it was just a challenge which I guess we took up, and here we are. It wasn't just about meeting filmmakers from the Northeast, but it was meeting filmmakers who were really established, who know their craft and tell stories so brilliantly. So it was humbling just to be in their presence and to hear about stuff that they went through, about their experiences, and it was a great learning experience for me. It was just fabulous. I couldn't ask for anything. For starters, it's just a great platform for people from the Northeast, storytellers from the Northeast, to come and tell their stories, and to see that it's something organized by people who have a common passion, the passion for cinema, for storytelling, and to see them all come together and participate in it, it just gives us more hope that films that we make, say in Meghalaya, don't stay restricted there. They can actually travel here, and people here can hear our stories, and the same way stories from here can be told in some other part of the Northeast. Anyway, like if you think about it, we're considered to be a very small population, so why not make that work an advantage and come together as the Northeast and tell stories? And I think that's what's going to make our stories unique, our voices heard, because otherwise it's just everyone just trying to do their own little bit and never really coming together. So the best thing is this coming together of like-minded people, and I hope it continues because it's just been so much fun. I can't wait for more such further festivals to happen.